support this law, but I have some questions. I support the law because you can't attend meetings from jail, you can't go among people in jail, you can't respond to a crisis in jail, whether it's an earthquake or an economic crisis. So I support the law, but I am concerned about potential misuse at the same time, right? I can't say I'm not concerned
there will
about
be
it.
checks and balances. Or not, there will
कहाँ
be
हमारे
checks
देश
and
में चेक्स एंड
balances
बैलेंसेस
for
है?
sure.
जब
We
ये
are not a
प्रतिस्पर्धा
banana
होती है
republic.
बड़े बड़े
We are
नेताओं
not
के
a
बीच
banana
में,
republic.
कहाँ चेक है, कहाँ बैलेंस है? जब नेता पक्ष
Checks and
प्रतिपक्ष सबके बीच
balances.
में ओपन फाइट होती है.
अरे अरे अर्णब गोस्वामी जी,
जी.
नरेंद्र मोदी को 20 साल तक from 2002 to 2022 नरेंद्र मोदी was hounded by the Latvians Lashkar gang. Did we complain? Did he complain? Amit
Okay,
Shah
Ratnakar
was,
Tripathi and Pooja, we have to open up the debate. I have to allow the others in.
Amit Shah
Ratnakar
was
Tripathi.
incarcerated. Did
And
he
then,
complain? No.
please, let's get everyone in.
Why
This
are
is a-
people playing the victim card today?
Okay.
क्या अमित शाह ने कभी
Ratnakar
देश के
Tripathi's turn. Ratnakar Tripathi, it's a good bill.
नहीं
कानून व्यवस्था कौन संभालेगा, जनता से कौन जुड़ा रहेगा, जनहित में काम कौन करेगा अगर सब नेता पक्ष प्रतिपक्ष हो जेल से सब कुछ चलाए? रत्नाकर त्रिपाठी, योर टर्न.
अर्णब गोस्वामी जी, एक दमनकारी बिल है. अच्छा
दमनकारी.
बिल है. दमनकारी बिल है. हिंदी में
Daman, could you
बोलूं,
translate
अंग्रेजी
this
में?
into English? Damankari means
हाँ.
tyrannical.
Atrocious bill.
Okay, atrocious bill.
My pronunciation is not that good.
Oh, whatever.
Didn't take
More or
tuition
less.
from you. Now let me go uninterruptedly. I listened to Harish Salve. He formulated his argument in a very sharp way and omitted many things. He omitted 1998, he omitted 2002, he omitted 2025, 7th August 2025. Let me narrate about the observation of the Chief Justice of India, Honorable Gavaiji, on 7th August 2025 to ED. He said, even when they are not convicted, you have been successfully sentenced them almost without a trial for years. One thing. And the same judgment, and in the same judgment, Justin Bhuyan said to ED, don't act like a crook. You cannot act like a crook. You must act within the four corners of the law. There is a difference between the law enforcement agencies and the law violating bodies. This is the trust. That is what I'm saying. In 1998, a constitutional bench of Supreme Court decided.
One point, just one point, Ratnakar Tripathi. You know, earlier times, just, you only continue.
Please, sir.
No, in earlier times, a politician कोई लज्जा होती, लज्जा के साथ out of moral responsibility people would decide. अभी fashion statement है, कोई quit नहीं करता है.
भाई मैं तो हरीश
Not resigning has become a fashion statement.
No. कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन बेंच को आप फैशन बोलते हैं. कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन बेंच ने कहा कि आपको प्रोसिक्यूशन के लिए परमिशन लेनी होगी प्रिसाइडिंग ऑफिसर से, पार्लियामेंट में लोकसभा के स्पीकर से, राज्यसभा में चेयरमैन से. और अभी आपके सामने हरीश साल्वे ने कहा कि इम्यूनिटी है इन द एक्ट ऑफ ऑफिस एक्ट में. आप अगर सड़क पे हत्या करते पकड़े जाते हैं, आप सस्पेंड हो जाएंगे, आप चले जाएंगे. यही सेम इम्यूनिटी आप गलत बोल रहे हैं.
What will happen to the people, Ratnakar Tripathi? In Delhi, the system collapsed.
Let me narrate it. Let me tell it to you. It is also for the officials. Even ये government बोलेगी, trying to project themselves in the night in the shining armor of the morality. They have amended the prevention of
1 minute. No, Ratnakar Tripathi, you are misquoting the court.
They have amended the Prevention of Corruption Act in 2018. Stating that, please अर्णब गोस्वामी जी, आपने बहुत झूठ बोला है, सबको सही बात बोलने दीजिए. उन्होंने ये कहा है कि प्रोसिक्यूशन को परमिशन लेनी पड़ेगी उस अधिकारी के लिए भी जो रिटायर हो चुका है. ये बताएंगे. अगर किसी आदमी दहेज हत्या में पकड़ा गया.
No, 1 minute, sir. All this 1 minute. Opening it up. 1 minute. I want everyone to come in. I want everyone to come in. I want Pattabhi Ram Komareddy to come in. Mr. Komareddy. Let's move fast.
Yeah, Arnab, first of all, let's think what necessitated the introduction of this bill. It is because of the shameless and reckless acts of people like Arvind Kejriwal, Satyendra Jain, Sendil Balaji, who have remained as chief ministers and ministers in jail for months together. Do you support that? Can a chief minister be in jail and run the government for 6 months? We have heard Harish Salveji talking about moral values in the past. He had given us an example of Advani ji. Just because there was an allegation on him, he had resigned. But where are those values now? People like Kejriwal, and others, if they are, keeping aside all moral values and they are saying that we will be in jail and act as chief minister, do you support it? Tomorrow some other XYZ will come and, try to break Kejriwal's record. Do you support it? No. This is high time. We have to bring, because this incidents like these necessitated the introduction of this bill. How did Paneer Selvam become chief minister twice? It is because Jayalalitha ji resigned. At the time she was arrested, she resigned and Paneer Selvam became chief minister. What did Hemant Soren do? Hemant Soren resigned before he was arrested.
So you are saying all the problem is because of Kejriwal?
Yeah, people like these shameless people like
You're
Kejriwal.
calling Kejriwal shameless.
All these
Priyanka.
people, they have necessitated the introduction of this bill.
Priyanka, you
But
become
before
very
that-
patient and forgiving nowadays. Earlier you used to be very aggressive. Nowadays, your leader is being called shameless on 2 occasions by the BJP and the TDP, and you have this smile on your face.
And Arnab, when have you started supporting Kejriwal? Why you
I am not
laughing
supporting,
because
I'm making an
तुमने
observation.
नींद उड़ा रखी है।
Arey, why are you jumping? Sanju,
calling Kejriwal, Arnab,